When the sun was high and the race began, you stood up tall, every woman and man, with Kenyan flags, waving proud and free. You brought the spirit across the sea. Your cheers lit fire in every stride. Our athletes felt you by their side. From finish line to victory song, you made the team feel proud and strong. Asanteni Doha kwa moyo wenu, mliofika kwa team Kenya yetu. You clapped, you danced, you raised the name. Kenya ni yetu, na tunacheza game. Asanteni kwa mapenzi yenu. In every voice we felt the flame. From stadium seats to world acclaim, you carried Kenya in your name. You brought the drums, you brought the sound. The Diamond League heard Kenya's ground. You turned the stands to fields of red. With every step our runners led. In your ululations joy was found, like mama's voice back home profound. You sang for those who chased the goal and warmed the hearts of young and old. Asanteni Doha kwa moyo wenu, mliofika kwa team Kenya yetu. You clapped, you danced, you raised the name. Kenya ni yetu, na tunacheza game. Asanteni kwa mapenzi yenu. In every voice we felt the flame. From stadium seats to world acclaim, you carry Kenya in your name. From far off homes, you came with pride to stand for Kenya side by side. We saw you there, we heard you loud. You made us strong, you made us proud. Asanteni Doha kwa moyo wenu, mliofika kwa team Kenya yetu. With every shout, with every beat, you made our race feel more complete. Asanteni Diaspora wetu. We run with you, we win with you. In every race, in every game, you carried Kenya in your name.